Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. Let's start with opening the browser, in my case Google Chrome. This operation is similar in all commonly used browsers, so you'll be able to figure it out on your own. Tap the three dots icon in the upper right corner and go to Delete Browsing Data. Here we've got basic options like visited websites or cookies. You can change the time range, choose last 4 weeks for example, and tap Delete Data. For advanced options, tap More Options. Here you have saved passwords, autofill form data, site settings, and more. Make sure the items you want to remove are marked. Change the time range separately. I'll pick all time, then tap Delete Data. As you can see, we've successfully removed the history. That would be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and leave a thumbs up.